Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be looking at what happens when boxes overlap and how we can resolve that by using the Z index. Currently in our container there are several elements like the header, the column and the sidebar, and all of these are nested within that container. All of these elements share the same reference point, which is the top left corner of the container. This can cause overlapping, and to be able to make sure that the elements are in the right order, we need to stack them using the Z index, and I'm going to show you how to use that now. So let me show you a problem. Here I am, I'm going to select the header and I'm going to drag the header down. Don't worry, we'll put it back later. And I'm going to click off. And already we can see there's a problem. But if I go File, Save All, and I go to File and Preview in Browser, you can see that this would be a problem. So we don't want that. So let's see how we resolve it. Well, what I could do is this. I'm going to click on the sidebar. And all of these AP divs have what's called a Z index. Now, this currently Z index is 3. The higher the number will mean the highest number will always be on the top layer, and the lowest number will always be furthest back, all the way down at the bottom. So I'm going to take off 3 and I'm going to put the sidebar on the lowest layer, essentially the furthest away from the top. So I'm going to click on 1 and press Return. And you can see straight away that we have got rid of the overlapping. So again, if I go File, Save All, File, go into the preview in the browser, you'll see that this overlapping has now disappeared. Okay, so let's go and put the header back where it was. So I'm going to click on the header and let's go and make the left a 0. Let's go and make the top a 0. And we're back to where we should be. Now then, we've got one more element to put in, and that's going to be the footer. So what we need to do, we're going to go down to the bottom here, and this is where the footer is going to go. Like we've done with all the elements, we want to create a draw AP div. So if I click and drag and let go, you'll see, oh, where's it gone? Well, it's up here because this is where it always goes. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to give it the name footer. And once I've gone and done that, we can see that it's going to be in here along with all the others. But I'm going to put in I'm going to scroll down and we're going to see it here. So these are the measurements you need to put in. So the left is going to be a 0 px because that's going to be right on the left hand side. The top is going to be all the way down, so we're going to make that 750 px. The width is going to be nice and wide as well. That's going to be 750 px. And the height of this thing is going to be 100. And then we're going to give the footer a grey colour, so it's hashtag and 6 C's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once you've gone and done that, just click off and we have that. Good, so a short video on how to deal with overlapping elements using the Z index to get the right order we want. Remember, the largest number is always the layer at the top, and the smallest number in the Z index is going to be the furthest away from the top, so the lowest layer. Have a bit of fun, experiment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.